Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to activate Pencil on iPad. Firstly, remove the cap from the back of your Apple Pencil and plug the Apple Pencil into the iPad's Lightning port. A notification will appear on the screen, just tap Pair. Now open the Settings app on your iPad and scroll down, then tap Apple Pencil. Here you can check battery percentage, enable only draw with Apple Pencil, which prevents fingers navigation. Turn on Scribble, which converts handwriting into text, and test Scribble mode. Tap Try Scribble to practice. On the left corner swipe, you can enable Disable Screenshot or Quick Note, and on the right corner swipe, you can enable or disable Screenshot or Quick Note. Once set up, your Apple Pencil is ready to use. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.